Roberto. I am so excited. Roberto Rosa makes the most beautiful cocktails. Roberto Rosa is the brand ambassador for Gran Centenario Tequila, and he specializes in making cocktails with tequila. So I have the ingredients. Tell me the name of the cocktail.
I decided to name it El Secreto del Ángel, the Angel's Secret, because it goes with the legend of the brand. So the brand started in 1857 with Lázaro Gallardo. The legend goes he entrusted his agave fields to an angel with a trumpet. Ever a plague or cold weather or something that would harm the agave crops, the angel was supposed to sound the trumpet and let him know before the agave was damaged.
How do we get started, Roberto?
So the cocktail is inspired by a mangonada.
Oh my God, I love a mangonada. Do you guys know what a mangonada is?
A mangonada is basically a frozen mangoes slushy drink, but it has a chamoy sauce and then it has a tahini rim. It's just a really intense drink, but really refreshing at the same time. I'm a really big mango nut. We're gonna start with making the mango syrup. Put in the blender cubed mango.
So I'm cutting the mango. Wait. You're ahead of me.
Yeah, I had it pre-cubed.
Hold on, I'll be fast. This mango is so meaty.
You wanna do like a mango pulp? You're gonna mix 1 part pulp with 2.5 parts of sugar syrup.
I made the simple syrup per your instructions. So we did 2 parts turbinado sugar to 1 part water, and it looks thicker, of course, than a regular simple syrup. Turbinado sugar has a more caramelly taste.
It's more
than
complex.
sugar.
It's not just sweetness. You get those notes that work really well with the mango.
Okay, so I'm gonna puree this until completely smooth.
Yes.
So we have this syrup, and it looks gooey and sticky as it should.
Start putting things in the small shaker. We're gonna do 1/2 ounce of lime juice.
Okay.
So then you're gonna do grapefruit,
Okay.
3/4 of an ounce.
And I love grapefruit so much.
Now we're gonna do the mango syrup. We're gonna do 3/4 of an ounce. Now at the start of the show, 2 ounces of the Gran Centenario Añejo tequila.
Why did you choose añejo?
The selección suave technique is you take the newly aged añejo tequila and then mix it in with older reserves to make it more complex and add some smoothness to it. So you get those toasted oak notes, toasted almonds, some vanilla, the cooked agave notes. All those notes pair really well with the mango.
Okay, so I'm pouring 2 ounces.
2 ounces.
Okay.
So we're gonna rim the glass with chamoy sauce.
Can you explain to us chamoy sauce?
You get saltiness, you get sweetness, you get spiciness, you get everything at the same time.
It's like a sauce that's made with chiles that are rehydrated and many times fruits like apricots or plums.
I usually just place it and roll it on the
Okay.
side. So it just gets the outside of the rim.
So that the chamoy and the ground chile won't go into the drink and stain it.
So when you dip it on the tahini, do it the same way you just did with the chamoy and it should come out like that.
I mean, no wonder cocktail making and mixology is considered an art. How much ice do you like to put?
You gotta make sure it sticks out from the liquid. I put the large one on the bottom, so it has to be flush on one side and have a space on the other.
You guys, I didn't know. Don't tell me that you knew, because you didn't know either.
So to open it, you're gonna tap it right next to where it's flush and it's gonna open.
Okay.
Strain the drink into it.
Oh, the color.
You're gonna garnish it with a grapefruit slice.
Oh, pretty. You guys, look at the colors. Oh my gosh, the colors.
So, salud.
Salud, Roberto. It's like super caramelly, nutty, and then the fresh mango and the citrus. This is so good. I learned so many things, and you're a fantastic teacher.
Thank you. Salud.